Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Southwest Cape Coral, and I got this beautiful 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, double car garage with a pool and golf access to show you. An agent from my office got this listing. She asked me to do a tour, and I said yes, because it's a very nice home, okay? So like I always start in all my videos, I'm gonna first go around the home and then we'll move in. So you can see it has a side double car garage. That's nice. Let's just go in. I really like this type of garage because it makes the house look nicer. All tile roof. And let's go over here on this side and move to the canal. You can see the canal in the back. Here's the pool area. Okay, we'll get back to that when we go inside the home, okay? I'll do that from the inside. Okay, now let's step outside here. Check out this beautiful view of the canal. It's a golf access canal. Check out all this dock space this home has. Actually, you can sit here in a chair and fish. Okay, now let me go back so you can see the whole backyard. He has a boat lift. And check out that view. Let's look at the coconut tree over there. It's water that's all about here. Okay. Today's a very nice day. It's 85 degrees. It's beautiful and sunny. The rainy season hasn't started yet, so we're waiting for it. Okay, let me show you around here. So I always go around the house, even though it looks like a challenge, but here's your water pump for the pool, your filter, your heater, jacuzzi. Has a small shed over here, and your AC. And that's an entrance to the garage from the side. Check out the home in the front. Very nice. Very nice neighborhood. Okay, it's very conveniently located to Cape Harbor and supermarkets and a lot of things to do around here. Cape Harbor offers a lot. So that's, you know, Southwest. This is the area actually that most homes sell here in Cape Coral. It's the Southwest is the most where people most want to move into due to the convenience of everything that he has around. Okay, so check out the side garage, and now let's not take more time and let's go inside and take a look at this home. Remember, for price, go in the description below and you'll have a link that will give you the price and the status. Okay, let's move in. We're in. Stand over here in the corner so you can visualize the whole area here. You have your dining room there, living room. Back there you got a breakfast nook, your kitchen. It's a split plan, so you got your master bedroom on the right and your other 2 bedrooms on the left. And through that glass door, you got the beautiful view of the pool and the canal. As soon as you come in, you can't miss the canal. I don't know if the video is showing it to you, but let me show it to you. Let me adjust here my camera a little bit so I'll see if I can make it a little better. There. That's the pool, and check out the view that you have from inside the home. Very nice. Okay. Okay, now let me move back my camera to where it goes. And I'll start the tour over here to the dining room. Okay. It's a turnkey home. I don't know if everything's included. You're gonna have to call me for that. I'll verify with the agent. But it's, according to what they told me, it's a turnkey home. So most of the stuff will stay in here, and it's very nice. This actually looks like it was a house that they rent a lot, because you have your labels on every switch, and you know, got welcoming and a lot of information for people that are staying in it. So it looks kind of like a little resort here, and it has everything that you need. So you got the living room. Very high ceilings, nice high ceilings. Over here is the kitchen, nice granite countertop. This breakfast nook here, it's nice because you have these windows, and you could actually check out the canal and the pool at the time that you're eating breakfast, or just sitting in it up here. Take a closer look at the kitchen. Okay, let's go over to the laundry room. Got nice cabinets. And then over here, this leads you to the normal car garage. And as you can see, it has everything that you need to have a good time. You have bicycles, kayaks, fishing poles, everything. And if it's turnkey, most likely comes with everything that you see here. So it's a nice kitchen to entertain. You've got your dining room right there, your living room over here, and breakfast over here. So you're always in the middle of everything when you're in the kitchen. Over here, you got a side door that leads to the pool. So you don't have to walk around the whole house if you're coming from the pool. And now we'll move here to bedroom number one. Let's call this bedroom number one. That's your room for 2 beds. Nice closet over there in the corner. Very nice decorated, very Florida style. And over here to the guest bathroom. Now we go to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is very nice because you have beautiful view of the pool. You stand over here so you can visualize it. Check out the view that you have towards the pool. Show you from this angle. Okay, now let's go over to the master bedroom on the other side of the house. you come in, you're walking with this linen closet. And then you move here to the left, and here's the master. It's a nice size. Let me stand over here in the corner so you can visualize it. It's a pretty good size. Have a closet over there. And also you have the view to the pool. Now check out the master bathroom. It's really nice. That door there is a closet. So it has a lock on it because most likely whoever rents out this house, that's where they keep the possessions in, and they can put a lock on it so other people can get into it, personal stuff. And check out this nice tub here. That's a nice tub. Then over here you got the shower. And your toilet closet over here. Very nice home. Now let's go and step outside and see the pool area. A lot of space out here. If you like to have parties, entertain, very large area here. Over here is that door that leads to the kitchen. Here's your control for your aqua link, to control for your pool spa. Check out the pool. Got plenty of space to get your sun rays. You got that corner there. You got your nice spa there with a cascade. Then over here you got more space for sunbathing. And another area just to sit down and relax. Facing the White Canal. Well, tell me what you think about this beautiful home. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been doing real estate here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area for over 20 years, so we can help you out on this home or any other home. If you would like to know, like I said at the beginning, the price of this home, just feel free to go in the description below, hit the price and status button, link below, and it will give you the status and the price of the home at the time that you're looking at this video, okay? So if you're watching this video 3 months from now, you'll see the home if it's pending, sold, active, and the price, currently price that it has. That's why I don't say the prices on the videos, okay? Well, for all of you guys that called me last week from my last videos and give me likes and share my video, I'd like to thank you guys for having time to enjoy my videos, and I really appreciate your support for my channel. So if you're new to the channel, you would like to see more homes from Southwest Florida and thinking about buying a home, feel free to hit that subscribe button. So that way, you know, when you find something you like, you could just give me a call and we'll try to help you out, okay? So, signing off from Southwest Cape Coral. See you on to the next video.